Hi guys, so in the previous video we looked at how we can use checkboxes and radio buttons with our form, which is using the useState React hook. So today we're just going to do the same thing but with selects and text areas. So I've created two components here, the text area and the select, and they're pretty similar to the components we've created before. So the text area is very much similar to the input field. Text area is essentially just a input field but with more rows. The select again is pretty similar to the components. Same format really. There's label, ID, there's handle change, name, value props we can pass in. The only difference really is there's an additional options property which we can pass in, and that is basically just an array of key value pairs. One is label and one's value, and that allows us to basically set the options in the select. So given these two components, I'm just going to add two instances of one for each of them. First one we're going to create is text area. So let's give this an ID of bio, label, bio, handle change. Just going to pass in that single handle change function we've got defined. Value, let's set this to form.bio, and we just have to go up here and add the bio property as well. Let's give it a default value for now. So right, so you can see that defined. You can see the page refreshed, and you can see the bio field here, bio field here. Next step is to add a select. Oh, wrong way. So this value will be form.car, and then we're going to have ID is car, label is I drive a colon, and handle, just going to pass in a handle change in the function, and then options, going to create an array. Right, I'm just going to put three options in there. So two different cars, RS6, RS4, and the first option is the default. We're going to have a default option, which is just please select, and the value will be an empty string. So we just need to go up to our state object and add car in. I'm going to initialize that to empty string. Maybe see our app refreshes, we have the select, and if we change one of this, you can see up here on the summary the car is displayed. And that's it. That's how you wire up a select and text area.